I think the biggest challenge today facing all of us is the COVID pandemic, what it is doing to our practices, what it is doing to our lives, what it is doing to the people we love at work and in our private lives. It requires considerable active work to be resilient against those forces.
The young J. Wayne Meredith wanted to become a biomedical engineer, but it turned out that unbeknownst to him, his father had other plans for him.
I was raised to be a surgeon. My entire life, my father, who was a surgeon, when he was working on a car at home and was having me assist him and sending me to fetch instruments and all that, I was learning to think like a surgeon and to work like a surgeon, and I discovered that it was the most natural thing in the world to me when I started doing it.
Dr. Meredith has had a diverse and successful career in trauma, thoracic, and critical care surgery at the Wake Forest School of Medicine. But he is inspired every day by a very simple sentiment.
I work for hugs. I work for the satisfaction of helping someone. I work really hard to feel like I've made a difference in other people's lives every day.
Dr. Meredith has had a long history with the college, on the state and the national level, with a concentration on the Committee on Trauma. He feels that his contributions within the college have had a positive impact on the profession.
I have learned leadership skills from being a part of the College of Surgeons. I've learned how the world works, the actual world of medicine, how it actually works, what's going on out there that you can't see and can't control. I've learned how all of those pieces work, and I felt like in a small way I had a chance to try to influence that through the College of Surgeons and the opportunities that are available as being a part of the college.
And he has this advice to fellows looking to make an impact on the profession of surgery.
If you will engage in the American College of Surgeons, we are looking for people who are interested in engaging with what we do, and we will find a way to put you to work, and you will find it rewarding.
Dr. Meredith wants to be seen as an accessible president during his term, and he has some very specific programs that he will promote during his tenure.
Our verification programs, our quality training book, correcting the things that we do that represent systemic racism, and the things that we do to specifically reach out to be inviting and welcoming to underrepresented minorities, in particular, Black surgeons in particular. And I think to be excellent at managing issues of race, we need to strive to not be colorblind, but to be color bold.
Dr. Meredith has learned a lot in his career as a surgeon and a teacher. It's a tough profession, so it's probably not a surprise that he thinks that the most important attribute of a good surgeon is being resilient.
I'll give you 3 tips for being resilient. The first is approach your life with a presumption of virtuous intent. Never lose sight of why you went into this profession, the profession of surgery, in the first place. And the last of the 3 things is try to catch the people around you doing something right 6 times as often as you catch the people around you doing something wrong.
He also has some homespun advice for young surgeons that won't be found in textbooks.
If your date offers you a breath mint, you should take it. You never know what someone who gives you a piece of advice has in mind in terms of how they might want to enrich your life. Let your patients thank you. You will have thousands of patients that want to thank you. Let them honor that emotion that they have toward you. It's why you went into surgery in the first place. Take advantage of it.
Although the pandemic has brought with it unprecedented challenges, Dr. Meredith knows that surgeons are made of tougher stuff. And his pride and gratitude for his fellow surgeons serve as an inspiration to us all.
I think surgeons have been among the unsung heroes of this COVID pandemic. I am so proud to be a surgeon, and I'm so proud to be one of your colleagues. Thank you.